Wednesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So we are now releasing today a brand new Cookie Consent version 2 on funnels and websites. So if you know what Cookie Consent is, basically it's that banner thing that pops up and says, do you agree to cookies and all that. There is a video here that I want to play first so we can see kind of how this works, and we'll kind of go through this together. So basically, you see that banner at the bottom there? It says customize, accept essential, all of that wonderful stuff. So you can see here, you can customize the consent. It pops up. It actually asks you to save your preferences. It's actually really cool. The team has done a great job here just in terms of making this the way it should be. So you can kind of see how that works. And this is basically the same way you would see any other cookie consent banner that kind of is out there. But let's dive into the notes here and some of the release items. So a couple of things. First up, all new layouts. So users can choose from different types of layout positions, including floating type banners. Also, you can customizable cookie consent pop-ups. So you can do a customizable button, which allows visitors to enable or disable predefined cookie categories. You can do, visitors can view detailed cookie information, including key, duration, expiry, domain, and description. I mean, this really goes deep, as you can see here. And you know, again, every place is different. So like, please be aware, like you have to kind of figure out the laws of the places you are, but this is just trying to help you do all that. We've really tried to make this as kind of as robust a cookie consent product as we could run down and do and add all the options, but just make sure that you kind of know which options you need versus you don't. So just kind of do a little bit of research on your side. A couple of things: blocking non-essential cookies by default. So on initial page load, all the initial cookies or non-essential, cookies are now blocked until consent is given. So that's really cool. With the latest preview updates, non-visitor provides consent. Once granted, the page refreshes, basically allowing the first and third party scripts to set cookies based on that consent, so we're not loading those ahead of time. Also, custom code samples. So new code samples have been added, allowing users to read the consent types and categories. You saw that, where you could customize it, which is very cool. Also, managing the cookie list here. There's a predefined cookie category, so there's like essential and functional analytics. You can kind of go through all of that. You can add to it, which is kind of cool, which is neat. You can use regular expressions, which is very cool. This is like very deep stuff, right? So again, the whole goal here though is to get at compliance, sort of like GDPR, CCPA, things like that, give users control, give you customizability, improve transparency, and also marketing integration. So it kind of helps categorize and manage different cookies based on different intents. So anyways, this is a big subject, as you can tell. There is a great help doc on this, obviously, help.gohighlevel.com. Just search cookie consent, you will find it, and it goes through all the details here. So anyways, huge props to the team for digging deep here, making this happen for all of you. I hope you're as excited about it as I am. I hope you're having an amazing Wednesday, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.